Nokia Phone Manufacturing Company is a company on which people trust the most. If you also want to buy a mid-budget 5G smartphone, then this smartphone can prove to be a great option for you. Today we are talking about such a powerful smartphone of Nokia, in which you are going to get a big battery of 7500 mAh, with 200 megapixel DSLR camera. Yes, we are talking about Nokia P1 5G smartphone. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia P1 5G. First, if we talk about its display, you get to see a 6.85-inch Super AMOLED display, which comes with 1.5K resolution. However, a long 120 Hz refresh rate, with a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz will be seen in this display. Apart from this, IP69 will be given to protect it from water and dust. Processor. Talking about the processor in this smartphone, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 5G processor has been installed inside it. Also, if we talk about the operating system, you get to see Android 15 operating system inside it. Camera setup. A powerful camera is provided inside the mobile. Inside this you get to see triple camera setup, whose main camera is going to be 200 megapixels, with OIS support. Apart from this, two more cameras will be seen in it. And if we talk about the selfie camera, then inside it you get to see a 50 megapixel selfie camera. Battery backup. Talking about the battery of the smartphone, you can see a powerful 7500 mAh battery inside it, which supports 125 watt fast charging, with USB Type-C charging port. Price or launch date. If we talk about the price of this mobile, then it is being estimated around $700. And if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it till now.